Number 9. Top speed 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour. The F-Type Project 7 was first introduced in 2013 as a concept car. By 2014, it was already in production. The vehicle is based on the F-Type convertible, and it paid tribute to the E-Curry E-Cross racing team that won the 24 Hours of Le Mans race twice with the Jaguar D-Type in the 1950s. It's fitted with the same supercharged 5-liter V8 engine found in the F-Type R Coupe, but was increased its output to 575 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque. The convertible car can reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Only 250 units were made, and its price is around $166,000. Number 8. Top speed 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers an hour. The facelifted F-Type was unveiled in December 2019 with design, engine, and technological updates. The most powerful variant of the F-Type is equipped with a supercharged 5-liter V8 engine that produces 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque that helps the car accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The engine is exclusively paired with a ZF-sourced 8-speed automatic transmission with power going to all 4 corners. On the market, pricing for the 2022 F-Type R Coupe starts from $103,000 before taxes. Number 7. Top speed 191 miles per hour, 307 kilometers an hour. Introduced in 1990, the XJR15 was a limited production supercar built by Jaguar Sport. It was the world's first road car made entirely from carbon fiber. Moreover, the chassis was mechanically based on the Le Mans-winning XJR9. Power came from a 6-liter naturally aspirated V12, which put out 450 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, enough for a 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration in 3.9 seconds. Power was sent to the rear wheels through one of 2 manual transmissions, a Synchro Mesh 5-speed or a non-Synchro Mesh 6-speed. Jaguar planned to produce 50 XJR15s, but in the end a total of 53 were made. When new, the XJR15 carried a monumental $960,000 price tag. Number 6. Top speed 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers an hour. The F-Type SVR was unveiled in coupe and convertible forms at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show. It features the same 5-liter supercharged V8 as the F-Type R, producing 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It needs only 3.5 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour from a standing start. It uses the same 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive powertrain as the R. Pricing for the F-Type SVR is $127,000 when new. Top speed 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers an hour. Introduced in 2017 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, the SV Project 8 is a special limited production high-performance version of the XE. It's hand-built by the crew at Jaguar Land Rover Special Vehicles Operations. The most powerful track-focused Jaguar road car in history, packs a 592 horsepower punch and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Like the SVR, the Project 8 uses all-wheel drive and an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. Only 300 units were produced, and its price is approximately $192,000. Number 4. Top speed 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers an hour. The hybrid supercar made its debut at the 2010 Paris Motor Show as a concept. The powertrain of the CX75 concept is rated at 789 horsepower through 4 YASA electric motors, each of which drives one of the 4 wheels. In 2011, Jaguar announced to put the concept into production with a limited number of 250 units. However, because of the global economic crisis, the project was canceled. Finally, only 5 developmental prototypes were produced in the production car specifications in 2013. The CX75 prototype has a combined power output of 892 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to a 1.6-liter turbocharged and supercharged inline-4 engine coupled with 2 electric motors placed on each axle of the car, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. Number 3. Top speed 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers an hour. In 2003, 4A Design introduced a one-off Jaguar XF10 concept car at the Barcelona Motor Show. The concept car was a combination between the 2-seater Jags of the 1950s and more modern Formula One race cars. Under the hood, the XF10 is powered by a 7-liter V10 engine that produces 640 horsepower, enough for 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration in 3.8 seconds. The engine is mounted in the middle and drives the rear wheels through a 6-speed transmission. Number 2. Top speed 229 miles per hour, 369 kilometers an hour. In 1993, TWR and Jaguar Sport launched the XJ220C to compete in the GT class of the FIA Motorsport and XJ220S, a limited production road-going version to comply with homologation requirements. The XJ220S features the same 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 as the standard version, tweaked to produce 680 horsepower and 526 pound-feet of torque. It needs just 3.3 seconds to accelerate to 60 miles per hour and has a top speed of 229 miles per hour, a pace that many modern supercars have yet to achieve. Only 9 TWR XJ220s were completed, and 6 of those were made as road-going S models. Number 1. Top speed 245 miles per hour, 394 kilometers an hour. The XJR9 was designed by Tony Southgate and built by Tom Walkinshaw Racing. It was built for both FIA Group C and MISA Camel GTP Racing. Jaguar won the 1988 24 Hours of Le Mans with an entry of 5 XJR9 cars. The race features a 7-liter naturally aspirated V12 that produces 750 horsepower and 611 pound-feet of torque. It weighed only 881 kilograms, so the power-to-weight ratio was fantastic. Only 6 XJR9S models were built. One of the 2 XJR9Ss constructed to IMSA specifications was sold for $2.145 million at the Amelia Island auction in March 2015.